See that door handle? I'm taking that out. But first, the door panel. That's the door panel, which we're taking off. So let's start with trapdoor 1 and looks like trapdoor 2. Let's get them out. Not hard. Top first. This slides downward into it on a downward angle. 10 mil, 10 mil. Let's get them out. Look, it even tells me inside the door it's an Altima. That's awesome. So straight out, straight out. I always go from the corner. So if you grab from the corner and pull out towards you, it'll all pull out. It all clips. So let's get this guy unplugged. And there are 2 different ones, so you can't mess this up. And that should be it. But with a harness, let's get this door thing. I want to see if this pops up or in. So I flipped the door completely upside down just to see if I can do this, which makes it so much easier. You got a clip here, clip, and this looks like a safety clip of some sort. Let's play with this and get this off and shut the car off. So it's a flimsy looking thing. You sort of have to just push it in. I don't know why is this supposed to lock into place? No, it's a weird looking clip. It doesn't move. It does look like it goes up and down though. Huh. I don't know. It popped right out though. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And there you go. There's your door panel. Let's get the rest of it out of our way. And there she goes. Now I have it propped up on my handy dandy chair. It's not that hard. 1, 2, and 3. And is that the part number? Probably not. Not bad. Quite easy after the 3 screws. And I do not see a part number as I drop it. Yeah, I don't see anything. Why? Why? Nissan, why? Oh well, let's put it back. Is it this way? It is this way. It only goes in one way. Let's put the 3 screws back and put the whole door panel back. So the only thing you have to remember before I tell you to push everything straight back into its slots, because all you gotta do is line them up, is you can't possibly mess these up. One's a ball and one's a hook. You see? Put them in appropriate top, bottom, and there you go. And just push, push, push. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.